Hello, welcome to the Syllable platform and welcome to the first tutorial video of Syllable AI, an important one. Let's build your first AI agent that can be used over the phone. Well, before you create an agent, you must first create a prompt associated with that agent. So what you want to do is navigate to the prompt section and select new prompt. Now, enter the following required fields: name, description, etc. Choose your model provider and model. We offer OpenAI, Azure, and Google. And in this massive prompt field, you want to write your instructions or simply copy and paste a prompt like I have here. This is an example of a car financing prompt. It includes a greeting, information gathering, some tailored options, and a conclusion. And you can also add tools to your agent. Tools are what allow the agent to do useful work, like communicate with backend or do things like transfer a caller. Once this all looks nice and dandy to you, you hit save and voila, you've created your first prompt. Step 2 is creating your message for your agent. This is what your agent will say first when a caller calls them. So click on new message, fill out the required fields. In the default message field, you'll tell your agent what it should say. You can also add rules to it. This allows you to change things and add things like holidays and specific messages. Ignore that for now. Hit save, and there you have your message. Step 3. Now it's time to create your agent. So head over to the agent section, click new agent, think of a name and an optional description, select the prompt and message that we just created and a time zone. If you're creating a voice agent, then you want to select one of the Google speech to text options here. You can add languages and busy sounds to your agent as well. I'll add the keyboard one sound effect. And labels allow you to quickly find something. For example, if I type in demo in here, and then I search up demo in our search bar, I'll be able to find this agent very quickly. And down here you can see the tools that we've added to our agents. And once everything looks good to you, hit save and that's it. You can start chatting with your agent in the preview window. Run it through its paces. Make sure it's saying things it should be saying. One thing is missing if you've noticed. How can you call your agent? So for this, there is just one more step. We need to create a voice channel. If you want to interact with your agent over voice, this is where the voice channel comes in. Go over to channels in the menu bar and click new channel. Select the voice under mode and channel name, and then you select the target, the number that you'll be calling to interact with your agent. The way we do it, you need to add a fallback number in case something goes wrong or our systems are down. Once that's all filled out, simply connect your channel to your agent. And now for the best part, simply call this number and your agent should pick up the phone. Let's give this a try.
Hi, welcome to the car loan company. How can I help you?
Hi, could you help me with a car loan, please?
Of course. I'll be happy to help you with your car loan questions.
And there you have it. It's that easy to build agents on the Syllable Agentic Platform. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and we'll catch you in the next one. Build AI agents for every idea.